Look at that present. No, your present. No, this isn't yours.
Rip that one.
Rip this one open, buddy. What's in it? What's in here?
He's reaching in here.
Wow.
You got? You like this thing? Look at this.
Oh my.
Yeah.
This is the guy that has the dance game.
He doesn't even.
What is it?
What do you think, Gray Gray?
He went off the back.
Gray's in his new pajamas and his new Spider-Man
Go ahead, buddy.
slipper.
Kind of very.
Look out, buddy.
Wow!
He wants to scoot on it instead of just...
Get pushed. You have to keep your foot down for balance.
It's very cool.
It's not quite there yet.
I think it's like what you do with slippers anyway.
Yeah, you just shuffle along.
You have to shuffle your slipper feet.
He just kept turning on that little cat. Because I think he's not afraid.
bulldozer.
The dog.
Yeah,
He's not
bulldozer.
afraid of it.
Hey,
The big one hit him, so he's like, I'm not sure.
you can ride your bike. I don't think Grandma and Grandpa have ever seen you ride, sweetie. Oh, we talked, but he's kind of scared of it.
Like this. Wrap it up. And then
There you go.
crabbing.
It goes too fast. Like his left-handed.
Whoa! Collision! Oh no! Are you okay?
Yeah.
We might need to get some knee pads to go with the bike helmet, hey?
And shin guard, and
Yeah.
shin guard, elbow pad,
You're right,
glove.
We have a bike helmet, but we don't have
Bubble that
elbow
you can
pads
just
and
stay
stuff.
in.
A bike helmet would be good. A bike helmet would be very good. They're probably required, are they?
Yes,
For scooters, yeah.
and
Yeah,
for
they've
well,
made
for bikes
laws.
for sure.
National
You
laws.
can't get the license anymore.
Uh-oh, he's about to eat it. Watch out. Ready?
Whoa! Yay, Gray Gray!
He's taking his four-wheeler around the loop.
Like when...
Hey, what do you think, buddy? Do you like your truck?
He's always been though.
Do you like your truck? Gonna go? It'll go by itself if you let go. Woo! Video him for a second. All right, Greg, go. Get it. Let's cheer for you. All right. Yay, Greg, Greg. Yes. Hi. I'm not taking a picture, honey. I'm just doing video. I'm just doing video. It's okay. It's good smile. Good job. Yay, Greg, Greg.
Get it, Greg, get it. No, don't want to. Are you done?
Hey, Greg, can you give me a smile?
He used to have a good smile.
Guess who picked this phone?
Down, I wish you.